Whoa, all right, baby T-Rex, give me the pin, give me the pin. Whoa, hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we are going to be doing some 3-digit addition with baby T-Rex. The mama T-Rex is out there in the field getting some food, and so I'm taking care of baby T-Rex, and hope it's going to go okay. All right, let's go get started here. Got to be careful, I don't want to get my fingers chomped off here. First of all, what do? You got to start with the numbers on this side. These are the ones, these are the tens, and these are the hundreds, and that's his chomping mouth right there. All right, hope a mama T-Rex gets back so she can feed him. All right, so first of all, we're going to start with the ones. We're going to add 8 plus 1. You know what 8 plus 1 is? Yeah, 9. So I'm going to get my pin right here and put the 9 there, and put 9 right here. Now I move over and I'm going to add the tens. That's this column right here. So 4 plus 3 equals, that's right, 7. So I'm going to go ahead and put 7 right here. And now I add the hundreds. This is the hundreds right here. So I add 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. So I put 6 right there. How was that? Whoa, I think baby T-Rex likes mathematics. Ready to do another problem? Yeah, let's do it. So I'm going to move my screen over 1, and now we're going to add this number, 408 plus 328. What do we do first? We're going to add the numbers on that side. We're going to add the ones first, then the tens, and then the hundreds. So let's go ahead and add 8 plus 8. That's a double fact. 8 plus 8, 16. So I'm going to put 6 right here, and I carry that one all the way to the top right here. And now I'm going to add 1 plus 2 equals 3. So I put 3 right here, and now I'm ready to add the hundreds. 4 plus 3, 7, sent from heaven. How was that? I think baby T-Rex is liking it. Yes, he is. All right, let's go ahead and do another number. Whoa, a little bigger number. Don't worry, we're going to take it step by step. Easy cheesy, lemon squeezy. 569 plus 386. Hey, if you want to do this right now, write it down on a piece of paper, hit that pause button, and when you're ready to check it, hit the play button. All right, so 9 plus 6. What is 9 plus 6? Yeah, it's 15. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 5 right here, carry the 1 all the way to the top. Now I'm ready to add the tens. I'm going to add the 8, the 6, and the 1. So there's different combinations on which you want to add first. I'm going to take the 8 plus the 1 equals 9, and then 9 plus 6, 15. So I put 5 right here, and then I carry that 1 all the way to the top. Don't forget about that 1 when we're going to add the hundreds, all right? So now I'm going to go ahead and add 1 plus 5 plus 3. So I'm going to go ahead and add 5 plus 1 equals 6, and then 6 plus 3 equals 9. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 9 right here, and now we did it. That's the answer, 955. Ready to do another problem? Yeah, let's do it. All right, let's go ahead to this problem here. 845 plus 209. What's that? What do we do? That's right, we add the numbers in the one spot first. So 9 plus 5 equals 14. So I put a 4 right here, carry the 1. Now I add 4 plus 1 equals 5, and 5 plus 0 is just still 5. So I put the 5 right here. And now I add the hundreds. What is 8 plus 2? 10. So I go ahead and put the 10 right here. Now I put that 1 right there because I'm not moving it over. I'm not going to, I don't have 1,000 space. You just put the 10 right there. How are you doing there, baby T-Rex? Yeah. All right, let's do one more here. All right, we have 537 plus 258. Again, if you're liking this, hit that likey button down below. Yeah, it's right down below. That sure helps me out. All right, let's go ahead and add the ones. 8 plus 7 equals 15. So I take the 5 right here, put the 1 up here, and now I add the tens. Whoa, I'm seeing Mama T-Rex. She's getting ready to come over. I think she got some food there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add the tens right now. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 3, 9. So I'm going to put the 9 right here. And then 5 plus 2. What is 5 plus 2? 7 right here. I don't know. Does Mama T-Rex, does she have a pizza? Did she get a pizza? I'm not sure if she did. Oh, all right. Hey, calm down there, baby T-Rex. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you hit that likey button. That really helps me out. Check out my other videos. I got some other channels down in the link down below. And like always, have a fun day. All right, we better get baby T-Rex to his mama. All right, adios. Bye-bye. See you later.